guys, welcome back to my channel. So I have had a bit of a nightmare with this video, I'm not gonna lie. I filmed the whole thing like I think a few weeks ago. Well, it's been the wedding, as you can see. Before the Mendi, I was trying to format one of my memory cards so I had more space, and basically format means where you delete all the footage on your memory card, and I deleted the footage on the wrong card, so I lost so much footage, one of them being the whole of this video. It's fine, like I'm over it now and we're just gonna get on with it. So this is going to be a Sunday reset slash like spa routine. Really excited to film this or refilm this for you guys. I love watching these types of videos, especially like now that the wedding's done. We were so stressed like throughout the whole wedding because obviously the rules kept changing, so we had to keep like changing the plans, and like we were just very stressed, and I feel like I need this like spa routine. And obviously because of the current situation, like you can't really go out and enjoy like a spa, and I'm gonna do this video in like a vlog style because I know you guys love vlogs. So right now it is Sunday obviously, and I'm just about to go out to town. I love shopping in autumn. When I come back I'll give you guys a haul, and then I have to tidy my room because I'm filming against this wall on purpose so you guys can't see how messy my room is right now. I almost forgot to show you my outfit. It's just this oversized jumper that I got from Misguided, and then I'm wearing black skinny jeans with it.
Stuck in this town and the town's stuck in me. Always trying to find another reason to leave, but we sit at home all alone, hoping one day I'll never be known, cause I'm stuck on the bus.
Hi guys, I'm back from my little shopping trip. I'll show you what I got from Lush first because I'm really excited. I love going to Lush, it just smells so beautiful. This is what I got. So I just got bath bombs because I'm going to take a bath later. The lady at the counter said that I could use this twice, like I should just cut it in half and use it. So I'm going to do that, but it literally smells delicious. And then I got this one, so cute. If you know me, you know I love autumn and pumpkins. So I got this one as well. How cute is that? Okay, moving on to Primark. I got like cozy things for this little cozy night in that we're about to have. I got pajamas. I'm wearing like matching pajamas, they just make me feel very like put together. So cheap, they were £8 and they're pink and they have white hearts on it. This bedding, yeah, I didn't mind like getting plain ones because I have cushions on my bed, so I don't really need a lot of pattern. Now what I'm gonna do is get changed because I'm in outside clothes. I don't mind because I'm sat on the floor, but I don't want to like walk around in outside clothes. We can finally move on to like the spa routine side of the evening. So I've changed into my robe and I've just let my hair down. We're in my bathroom right now. I am going to be using this hair food hair mask. It smells amazing, so I'm just gonna run that through my hair really quickly and then put it in a bun. I've been trying to wash my hair way less now. I used to wash my hair like one day skip a day, so like every other day, but now I actually go like 4 days without washing my hair, which is insane for me. I got the one for curly hair because the other one, you know, the yellow one, it was sold out. So I just got this one, but it smells amazing. So now that my hair's in a bun, I'm just gonna take a cotton pad and remove all my makeup, and then I'll just come back to you and show you how I cleanse my face. So this is the new addition to my skincare routine. I absolutely love it. It is from Foreo and it is the Luna 3 device. It's absolutely amazing. Before I literally used to take my makeup off and then just get a face wash and rub it in with my fingers, but this makes my face feel so clean after using it. The brush head has soft silicone heads on it, as you can see, and these are designed to target T-sonic pulsations. If you feel like you have more sensitive skin, you can always change what level of intensity you want. So as you can see on my app, when I press start, it gives me an option of the intensity level over here, and I've got my cleanser on my face and I'm literally just gonna start the treatment. And also on the Foreo app, which I think is really cool, is that it has like different types of facial massages that you can choose from, which all essentially work to smooth and tighten your face. The one that I'm going to do is the Eyes on the Prize, a firming eye and brow massage treatment, and it targets areas such as under the eyes, the temples and the brows. And then you have nothing but the neck, contour crazy, which is a jaw firming one. That sounds interesting. And then magic mask. Well, right now actually in these times, facials where I'm from are completely banned because obviously you can't wear your mask. And some like facials are really expensive. Like it is a luxury thing to get a facial, and this way like you really get your money's worth because like it has all those treatments. But you can just treat yourself to a nice like 4-minute facial massage. And my facial regime spa routine isn't done here. I'm also going to show you my UFO 2. I've shown you this before, but I really like it. I have been using this non-stop, and guys, it gives my face a glow like nothing else gives my face a glow like this does. So let's get into what it does. It uses a cooling eye treatment, also known as cryotherapy. This helps against puffiness and dark eye circles. So as you can see, I really need that because I barely ever sleep. I've used this in the morning, the mask, when I'm literally so tired, and it has like a cooling like setting treatment on it which helps against any inflammation that you have. And guys, it is the best feeling when you use this in the morning. There's also lights around the rims which promote better absorption, and it has hyper infusion technology which helps the products really sink into your skin. They sent me some new masks I'm going to go through with you guys. The first one I got is the green tea mask. And that is a purifying mask. The coconut oil one, which is a nourishing mask. Manuka honey one, which is a revitalizing mask. I think I want to go for the coconut oil one because that sounds really nice. What I love about these as well is there's always loads of like product left in the sachet. Yeah, I always get like the leftover product and then just rub it all around my face.
As heat gradually decreases, moisture is sealed into skin, while green LED helps You're coming to the end of your treatment. Take a few more seconds to relax and enjoy.
Okay, I've gotten changed into my comfy clothes, which is actually just a big t-shirt. Do you guys remember this t-shirt, like how popular it was? I'm gonna show you the mess in my room and then we're gonna clean it up together.
Are you okay? Yeah, I'm fine. Been trying to get a hold of you all night. We haven't talked in months, but that's alright. Was wondering if you wanted to go for a drive. I just need some fresh air and an old friend. I'm so glad that we started.
So now that my room is all clean, I love these bed sheets, guys. They look so cute. I'm glad I went for like one neutral color because I feel like I have a lot going on my bed anyway. And I love how the orange in these two pillows like ties in with my pumpkin lights. Yeah, so now that my room is clean, I'm going to light a candle. Mari got me this one the other day and it's so cute. She knows I love like autumn and winter scents, so she got me this gingerbread one, but it smells amazing. It literally smells like of autumn time and I love it. So now that I'm out the bathroom, I feel so refreshed and relaxed. I'm just gonna go make myself some peppermint tea. I do that every night. I love drinking peppermint tea at night. It really like calms me down and like soothes me. I'm gonna go make some and then get into bed and probably watch something on Netflix. Well, actually, Paris Hilton has a documentary and I really want to watch it. I like watching like celebrity documentaries. I watched the Demi Lovato one a few years ago and that was really good, so I am interested to see what this is about. These are what my pajamas look like on. I forgot to show you guys, but I think they're so cute. So I got my peppermint tea and I'm having grapes as a snack and I'm about to watch the documentary. I did have dinner, by the way. It was just like leftover wedding food, so I didn't vlog it.